Okay, here's my follow-up video on creating object groups, except this time it's going to be on a PIX or ASA. This is actually ASA 5505, which I'm using. There's a slight few differences. You have to actually enter a lot of the commands in. So with that, I'm going to use my terminal emulation, PuTTY software, COM1. Put our little dialog box here. Bring it in. I'm going to spread it out for you. And we're going to hit enter. I'm going to go into global configuration mode. And we're going to say object group, hit tab, and then we can hit question mark. You see the different types you have to put in there: ICMP type, network protocol, and services. Those are the different types. You notice with the iOS on the router, there was just two different types: network and service. So with that, we're going to say network, and we're going to name it IPA, so enter IP addresses, and we're going to say network objects. And then we're going to put it in IPs with the subnet mask. Oops. And enter. And we're going to do this again. We'll do this a couple times just so you get the idea. And this makes it a lot faster when you're trying to configure stuff. And this one here, the last one we're going to make a little bit different just so you can see how to put in the host. Type in the word host. The host actually takes away having to type the subnet mask, so you just type in the host you want to put in. Okay, and there you are. Okay, now we're going to hit exit to back out a little bit. And we're going to create a service group. So let's say OBJ object group. We're going to say service. Oops. Service, and then we're going to say, we're going to give it a name. Okay, and then here, I'm going to hit question mark, but this is where you have to list what you're going to do. But you get a question mark, and then you can say TCP, UDP, or like I'm going to do TCP, UDP. And then it comes back. Now you type the word port object. And then you can hit question marks over there, but here you hit equal or range, and here you put in EQ, which E means equal, so EQ. And then you can list in what you want to put in again. So we're going to say, or actually, let me do this. Before I do that, I'm going to hit question mark again, because I want you to see the range of granularity there is. You can actually support numbers, CIFS, discard, domain, echo, HTTP, Caballeros, and you see the rest of there. So with that, I'm just going to enter in the port numbers. And you just hit tab, and then up arrow key to make it easy on you. Less typing. A lot of us, I would say engineer / sysadmin types are kind of lazy sometimes, but it's generally so because we normally have a lot of work to do in the first place. So you want to minimize your time on what you're doing. So and this is the best way to do it. So. And what I normally do is, like I said, I build everything from the beginning, so I know what I have. I kind of plan it out. So it's, once you plan it out, the main thing is the planning. If you don't get that right in the beginning, you won't see it. So we'll exit out and we'll type in, and that's how you pretty much create it. And then you go in, you create your access list, and you use your object groups, and you type in the commands, access list, permit access to, or from this object group to this object group. You use the correct syntax to actually get in. And I hope this video has been helpful as far as creating a object group, or actually an object group and a network group and a service group type on your ASA or your firewall. If you look at my other video for the iOS, you can see the differences here. And as always, thanks for watching.